Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant black screen on launch. This will be a quick fix guide, just make sure to subscribe and leave a like if you will find this guide useful. So now first things first, you want to open up on search Valorant and then right click on it and open file location. After that, again go on Valorant and open file location again. And once you will be here, you want to click at the top right games, go to Valorant live shooter game, binaries, Win64, and then scroll down until you will find Valorant Win64 shipping exe file. You want to right click on it and go to properties. Now first of all you go to compatibility and you want to check this disable full screen optimizations, apply OK. If that will not fix your problem, you want to go back to properties and compatibility, then you go and select this and select run this program as administrator. Now again, if that will not work, you want to go ahead and unselect this one and click apply and OK. Now another thing you can try out is go to services, open this up. After that, click anywhere on any of these, then click on your keyboard B, and then you will see VGC file. You want to go ahead, open it up, and now here you want to see that startup type is automatic and that the service status is running. If it's not running, you want to start it. And then you're gonna click apply and OK. Close this up. After this, you want to go ahead and restart your PC and try to launch Valorant. If that will not work, then you want to write down system configuration, open this up, and then you want to choose services. On services, you want to click hide all Microsoft services, just like so. And after that, you want to go ahead and find a VGC file again. So you want to find it and you want to make sure that it is checked. If it's checked, then that's okay. You can just close it. If not, just select it and click apply and OK. Again, go ahead, restart your PC and try to launch Valorant. Now you want to, after that, if that didn't work, you want to go ahead and just open up Valorant, go to settings. On settings, you want to click video. And on video, you want to choose display mode as windowed. If it is on full screen, you want to choose windowed. Then you're gonna go ahead and apply it, just like so. Another thing would be to go to your and update your drivers. So for me, I use NVIDIA app for that. If you're using AMD, open up AMD application and you go to drivers. And then if there's any updates available, you want to download it. And the last thing would be to open up Task Manager. On Task Manager, you want to go to details and you want to find a Riot client services. So it would be this one, Riot client services exe file, and you want to go ahead and set the priority to high. And after that, it should work. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel and I will see you next time. Bye.